Welcome back to Speaking English with Confidence, the best place to learn English naturally and confidently. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today's episode is a romantic thriller. Someone unexpectedly shows up at a wedding and changes everything. Stay with me for this exciting story, new vocabulary, listening practice, and interactive exercises. Let's get started. Like this video if you love English stories, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Part 1. The Wedding Crasher. Emma looked beautiful. It was her wedding day. The music played softly. Guests smiled. But suddenly, the door opened. A man walked in. It was Jake, her ex-boyfriend. The man she loved, but never expected to see again. "Emma," he said. "Don't marry him. I still love you." The crowd gasped. Emma's heart raced. Her fiancé, Michael, stood frozen. What would she do? Would you stop a wedding for love? Write yes or no in the comments. Part 2. Vocabulary and phrases. Let's learn key words from the story. Word/phrase and meaning. Fiancé. A man engaged to be married. Example. Emma's fiancé was shocked. Ex-boyfriend. A past romantic partner. Example. Jake is Emma's ex-boyfriend. Gasped. A quick breath of surprise. Example. Everyone gasped when Jake walked in. Frozen. Unable to move from shock or fear. Example. Michael was frozen with shock. Crash a wedding. To attend a wedding uninvited. Example. Jake crashed the wedding. Cold feet. Nervousness before a big event. Example. She got cold feet before the wedding. Real love. Genuine deep affection and care. Example. Real love takes time to grow. Emotional. Showing strong feelings. Example. It was a deeply emotional day. Repeat after me. I still love you. I still love you. I still love you. She was frozen with shock. She was frozen with shock. She was frozen with shock. Now, let's practice speaking. Simple romantic drama lines from the story. Repeat after me. Emma, don't marry him. Emma, don't marry him. Emma, don't marry him. Repeat after me. I never stopped loving you. I never stopped loving you. I never stopped loving you. Repeat after me. This is a mistake. This is a mistake. This is a mistake. Repeat after me. Why did you come here, Jake? Why did you come here, Jake? Why did you come here, Jake? Repeat after me. I had to see you one last time. I had to see you one last time. I had to see you one last time. Part 4. Mini drama dialogue practice. Role play. You're Emma. I'll be Jake. Jake, I still love you. Your turn. Say your reply. Jake, will you come with me? Your turn. Respond with yes, no, or something creative. Now switch roles. You be Jake, I'll be Emma. Now, let me hear from you. Tell me in the comments. Part 5. Quick quiz. Let's test your memory. Question 1. What does fiancé mean? A. Ex-boyfriend. B. A man who will get married. C. A surprise guest. Correct answer, B. Question 2. What did Jake say to Emma? A. Congratulations. B. Let's be friends. C. I still love you. Correct answer, C. Question 3. What emotion is gasp? A. Sleeping. B. Surprised. C. Angry. Correct answer, B. Comment below. Which word did you learn today? Part 6. Speaking challenge. Here's your challenge. Scenario: you are at a wedding. Suddenly, your ex appears. What do you say? Comment your answer in English or practice saying it out loud. Tips: use phrases like, "This is a surprise." "What are you doing here?" "I've moved on." My friend brought a fake fiancé to a family wedding to avoid awkward questions. It worked too well, now her family wants a wedding date. Challenge: use fiancé in your own sentence. Now, let me hear from you. Tell me in the comments. My aunt got remarried to her college boyfriend 20 years later. Sometimes love comes back. Do you believe in second chances in love? Today, you learned English with an exciting romantic story. Let's review. You learned new romantic and emotional vocabulary, common expressions used in love stories, speaking practice with repetition, role play and interactive quizzes. For more weekly lessons, tell us, do you believe in second chances in love? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Speaking English with Confidence. Give this video a thumbs up if you had fun. Share it with your English learning besties. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun English stories. Until next time, keep learning. Keep speaking English with confidence. Bye-bye.